Hi my friend, welcome my Learn With Me YouTube channel. Today we discuss about grade 8 science second lesson. Today our topic is animal classification. What is meant by animal classification? Grouping of animals in a systematic way by considering their common features is known as animal classification. Animals can be classified into two groups, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates mean the animals without a backbone or vertebral column are known as invertebrates. Vertebrates mean the animal with a backbone or vertebral column are known as vertebrates. Okay, now we discuss about main invertebrate groups. Four main vertebrate groups in animals: Cnidarian, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropods. Cnidarian: Hydra, jellyfish, sea anemone are the example of cnidarians. Two body form of cnidarian, polyp and medusa. Now we discuss what are the features of cnidarians are. Cnidarians have radially symmetrical body. There are two forms as polyps and medusa. They cripple small creatures with their special tentacles, having and use them as a food. Annelida: earthworm, leech, Nereis are the example for annelidans. Annelidan symmetry is bilateral symmetrical body. Form is vermiform, worm-like body shape. Now we discuss about molluscas. Molluscas. What are the examples for molluscas? Snail, bivalve, octopus, cuttlefish are the examples. Mollusca symmetry is bilateral symmetry. Form soft-bodied animal with moist skin. Some animals in the group have a shell. This is the body of the mollusca: antenna, mouth, muscular root and shell. Arthropoda: butterfly, scorpion, centipede, proud are the example for arthropodas. Arthropoda is the group to which highest number of animals belong. Arthropodas live in terrestrial as well as in aquatic environments. Features of arthropodas. Arthropodas are bilateral symmetrical. Their body possesses an external colector. Some species possess wings. Arthropodas have externally segmented body. All arthropodas have jointed appendage. This is a body form of arthropoda. Okay, now we discuss about main vertebrate groups. Pisces, amphibia, reptilia, aves, mammalia. These are 5 invertebrate groups. Pisces. Fish, the group of animals well adapted to live in water. Features of Pisces. Body is invertebrately streamlined. This feature helps them to swim through water. Their body is covered with scale, has fin to swim through water and to balance while swimming. Respiration through gills. Possess eyes without eyelids. Amphibia. Amphibians spend part of their life cycle in water. Features of amphibians. Undrygrometamorphosis, Skin is thin, moist and glandular. No scales in the skin. Some species use limbs for locomotion. Respiration is carried out by lungs through wet skin or mouth. Okay, reptilia. They are well adapted for terrestrial environment. Features of reptilians. Possess a dry skin with scales. No gland and are present in skin. Use limbs for locomotion, but some reptiles are limbless. They are adapted for clawing. Respiration through lungs. Aves. Birds belong to the group Aves. They are well adapted for flying. Okay, this is the features of aves. Streamlined body is designed for flying. Body is covered with feathers. Possess limbs for locomotion. Forelimbs are adapted as wings. They do not have teeth, but the beak is added for feeding. Breath using lungs. Mammalia. These animals feed on mother's milk. These are the examples. Chimpanzee, dolphin, dog. Features of mammalia. Has mammary glands. Skin has sweat gland, sebaceous gland and hair. Possess an external area with air lobe. Mammals have lungs to breathe. Okay, today our lesson is over. Please subscribe my channel, share and like. Please comment your idea. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye. Good luck.